Your next phone a echo. Phone me over where it's a echo. Your next phone a echo. You need listen, girl. So watch what man a do. You need listen, girl. So watch what man a do. Yo,
For the culture.
For the culture.
Exactly, for the culture. Out of many one people.
For the culture. For the culture. For the culture.
For the culture. Play the song. No, play the song.
damn pussy boy, look up what you talk about. Suck pussy like dog. Somebody Sunday are big taps and roses dog. Watch it. Yeah, some man like it. Suck your mother. Let me get ya.
Oh, I want
You like y'all that live in town? You like y'all that live in town?
Snow. I'm gonna ask you a question, okay?
No. Look up in there phone man.
Snow?
No.
My name is Bill.
You like y'all that live in town?
Yeah, I can hear you.
You like y'all that live in town? What?
Hey, girl, phone me over where it's a echo.
What?
Your next phone a echo. Phone me over where it's a echo. Your next phone a echo. You need listen, girl. So watch what man a do. You need listen, girl. So watch what man a do. Yo, home live with the next blood clot phone and watch me. And now I realize say yo, my head up on the blood clot like now I echo idiot. Girl watch cocky like dog. Big give that girl man.
Yes, I give them a send.
Let's go and look a while.
Yeah.
The big give that girl up on live, I go live at the bar, I back up for I back up page, I watch me. And now I realize my head up on the live. My head up on the live to echo. As someone who said girl back up page, I don't know. I watch me. A wicked girl, love watch me like dog, yeah dog.
Actually, the girl know your low life and you don't know about Ziggy.
That girl is pussy.
Ziggy, get a sensible girl up on the screen right now. We get a sensible girl up on the screen and I'm going to give you a line right now, Ziggy.
Pussy, you never give me a line yet, so you give me a line right now. So you are on low life, tough man.
Alright, more I get a sensible girl.
My put ice cream in a big hole.
But I ice cream, bro. But I just told already. Oh, you don't like that one there? I give you next one.
Rochelle, my baby.
I give you next one. You like that one?
My stop them bottom on the dog. Rochelle, my baby. You must have a nice girl for this. Look no man.
Batty boy, you going like in a glad figure.
Take a look good, man. Take a good.
You can make sense, Ziggy.
Good book. Bro, good book. Rochelle, this is low life Splinter. Splinter, this is Rochelle.
Hi.
No, you can't introduce me like that. You can't introduce me like that.
You nobody better yet.
Hold on, Rochelle. Suck your mother for a jet to suck your mother autumn, suck your mother winter, suck your mother in the snow, suck your mother for the mix and the banana. Explain it to your mother. I'm here. You can't look at.
Suck your mother digital.
You know, you beg your
analog.
I'll make you.
Black hair, Splinter, suck your mother. My girl, you're over your life. You're still over. You're there for your life. You're over here. Watch me in the backup page. Oh, you still say, you're not stop watch me.
Well, I was just scrolling through and I see you and a woman in a tent.
I say you love me.
And some next gal in pink shake up her backside upon the thing.
I'm kidding, you know, kidding.
Man, I don't take this seriously. I'm just joking. One living in a tent, like Nunu.
But a woman who live in one tent.
Looks so.
Who Nicole?
Looks so.
She look like she have it hard for you.
What wrong with she?
Hard life.
Alright.
So you see it, I want to come to say hard life and live a fire. What are you doing with me? Me a cruff. We don't have big problems snow for the and I think of you now, Nicole.
Nicole fits you.
What?
Nicole fits you.
Nicole can't get a sucker for mood. You don't know that snowman, she can't get a sucker for this.
You don't know Nicole. I'm good. I'm just bothering you. Holy.
What's your final work? Look at next man. I don't want to marry Nicole.
You know what? I mean, I'll come over and joke with you anymore.
Tell Nicole gonna come on. Only for Monday.
There's enough men for everybody.
Bring them two
More
people.
men in the world than women.
Bring them down for me.
No, I'm tired. Sorry, I'm.
Ziggy.
I mean,
Fuck your mother, Ziggy.
I'm gonna bring them down.
Fuck your mother. Ziggy. Ziggy, I'm running a program in your chat right now on your battery boyfriend in your chat. I wish phone. So, my echo. I'll be a police over here, so dog.
It's you that echo, not me. Alright, I'm ending my live. It's 2 a.m. I'm going to my bed. I'm going to my bed to play with myself, alright? I gotta go. Good night, you hear? You can't hear me? Let me see.
About the tree you did to your body. Me that try fuck your sons, but you go. Ivany come fuck me come tell the internet. Say we fuck. Money pull up. Alright. Get one with him. Skin it out, give me. Ivany your pussy fat. And if you fuck you, and if you breed you, you should make how we breed you, and me should breed you. Because me don't mind the youth. Because me love mine girl with pitney youth. We are not for me. Like I say, for me. Me mind me little brother them. And me not no youth. And me get a youth, me mind it. Me a madman long time from me born. Ask anybody about me mad. Me a mad me a mad out. I'm mad, me a mad. Go suck out to the mama. Well, people, when you can go suck out to no mother, record this a morning. Record your bumbo clock, counting in the pan. And go suck to the mama. You feel like you can't clown me out, pussy. Remember, me probably know me a clown already. You can't clown me out. Well, what I'm going to suck out to nobody. I come off of this bumbo clock. Everybody, go suck out to the mama. Well, no matter suck her out from back way. I come off of this. You're not hypocrite. I don't like you drunk. It's that I come off or no black me life. So I come off. I come off of this bumbo clock. I come off go call live and look come on. Move here, move big up skeng. Look come on, people. Nicki Minaj, big up yourself, you know. I one queen in a man. Any other way I dot. If you're not say Nicki Minaj, you're not say nothing. Bumbo climb, let me no belt show. Life I keep. Come on.